Well, it's good that it's nice and packed, nice and solid, so that way the window doesn't get wrecked during shipping and all that stuff. But this one's packed pretty good because it's got it glued on and nailed on, and it just makes it a little harder for the carpenter to take apart, or us guys to take apart the blocks in this one. So, anyways, just part of the routine, I guess. Take out all your shipping blocks before you install the windows, because one time had a stove and it's two styrofoam things way up in the corner, and forgot to take those out, turn the stove on, and it started to make this smell, and then it was an absolute nightmare trying to get the gluey styrofoam, melted styrofoam out of the oven. It was completely destroyed. I can't remember if we just replaced it or did something with it, but just don't forget, take out all the shipping blocks. Okay. Alright, so we're replacing windows, we're cutting openings, so it's a little bit challenging cutting openings because these walls are so thick, so let's just continue on and rip everything apart.
There you go, that's good.
No, Mike, there's got to be something smaller. I have a bigger drill bit somewhere. Go ahead, keep filming that.
Yeah.
Special. Cedar special.
Oh, you really smell the cedar, eh?
Yeah.
Huh? You cut this with a knife?
12-inch mini grinder.
You got a knife?
Need a 12-inch mini grinder.
12-inch mini grinder? You got a knife? Got your knife on?
You know what?
You got your
Maybe
knife?
a concrete saw will cut right through everything.
Yeah, we got a concrete saw, but it's going to burn on the wood though.
I lost my little round thing. Fucking bastard. Gotta watch those lights. How about a chainsaw? Do we have a chainsaw here?
Oh, that would be perfect, man. Let's go get a chainsaw. Are you good with them?
Fuck.
The windows are going in, and they look great. Alright, so as you can see, a couple of windows that we didn't replace, only because they're really odd shaped, and the windows are still in really good shape. They're commercial grade windows, so we're just going to paint these to match the other ones, and we're just taping it up and getting it ready, prepped up to spray paint. And once that's spray painted, then we'll just continue on, and the stucco guys can go ahead and stucco over this, or they're going to put their base coat over it and then stucco over it. But it's nice to get the windows all painted so they don't have to worry about overspraying on the new stucco later. Great. Alright, so we're spray painting the windows now. We got them all taped up, so nice even strokes, and make sure the surface is all prepped up. There we go. Perfect.
Yep.
All right. We're getting better and better at this. All right, just wait a bit. We'll peel that off, and we'll hopefully it looks great. And I think it does, and go for the next stage.